Hey, Betty, go play with Sarah.
No.
Why not?
What? Don't want to. Hey! Oh, my, a good doggy.
Okay.
Oh, my doggy.
Okay.
You go with it. Okay. I'm coming up.
No, Sarah. No. Turn around now.
No, she's coming up.
She's going down.
Why?
Because she's going to go play with you, right?
No.
Yeah, Sarah. No, you're going to fall.
We're all gonna go. Come on.
Come on, Daddy. There's a lack of video.
Just let me go down. Hurry, hurry. Okay, stay down, and you come up. Down.
Me.
Go down.
Come on, I'll help you now.
No, I want me.
Okay.
Go down.
Okay, go play with Sarah. Come on.
No.
Come on, I'm coming.
A picture. A picture.
I already took your picture.
She already took your picture, Betty.
No.
Betty, she already took your picture.
Look, I'm not taking your picture anymore. It's off. It's off.
Nope.
Nothing?
Why was she screaming?
Because Gabby, she wasn't even taking her picture. She was looking at her pictures, and Betty thought she was taking a picture.
Oh, parade.
So you're going to go to a beach?
No.
Come on, I'll go with you. Come on. Let's go. I'll go to the beach. Come on.